Welcome to the DestinE Data Exploitation Hub. The service tries to facilitate integration, discovery, and central exploitation to both data and applications while taking full advantage of DestinE platform capabilities, innovation, artificial intelligence, and operational expertise. It is a software-as-a-service solution that brings together 4 user profiles: data providers that want to harvest or federate their data collections, service providers that want to federate their processing services, application developers that want to deploy their algorithms generated offline, and the consumers or final users that are able to exploit the registered data and services through discovery, access, visualization, and processing. All functions are exposed via web user interface and API based on OGC standards. In this video, it is presented how to engage to the service via human web user interface, where any user shall be authenticated using the DestinE user account previously created. From the interface, you can change the language, consult the documentation, explore the API in Swagger format, and reach the platform support page at any time. As indicated, the following actors are identified as potential users of the service. Data providers can federate their external catalogs and harvest the data collections to integrate it into the service, just providing main parameters via form. Data providers can consult the status of their requests, and once it is approved by the service operators, the datasets will become available for exploitation by end users. DestinE Data Lake, operated by EUMETSAT, Copernicus Data Space Ecosystem, and other relevant data are already integrated into the service, while satellite and in-situ data owners can be considered as potential data providers. Application developers can deploy their algorithms to expose them as ready-to-use processing services. The deployment is based on an XML application descriptor file that contains relevant metadata and an application artifact as a Dockerized algorithm. Several algorithms have been already integrated in the service, while owners of algorithms can be considered as potential users. Service providers can federate their external processing services, just providing main parameters via form. Application developers and service providers can consult the status of their requests, and once they are approved by the service operators, the processing services become available for exploitation by end users. Final users are able to perform data discovery over the datasets available in the internal or federated catalogs. Once the catalog is selected, the user might browse available data collections and filter them by name, description, or product type. Note that upgraded access subscription is needed for accessing the DestinE Digital Twins data. You can view the details of a specific data collection by clicking the Info button. Once the data collection is selected, you can also search for data within that collection by name, area of interest, and time of interest. On each result, the user is provided with the following actions. View more details about the selected result. Zoom to location in the map. Download the data. Add the result to your Favorites tab. Visualize as a WMS layer. Execute a processing service providing required input parameters. Once the processing order is submitted, the user can see the status and details of the submitted processing order from the user dashboard. Scientific users, satellite operators, and defense and civil users, among others, can be considered as potential final users of the service. Whether you're a data or service provider or a consumer, The Data Exploitation Hub empowers you to bridge the gap between DestinE resources and confident decision-making, fostering collaboration, innovation, and a sustainable future. Thanks for watching, and do not wait to join our user community to enjoy the Data Exploitation Hub service.